Travel is about the excitement of exploring new places, the joy of experiencing different cultures. Imagine adding an extra layer of delight to your adventure's free upgrades and perks. It's like finding a hidden treasure, a bonus that makes your trip even more special. Who doesn't love being pampered with a spacious suite instead of a standard room, or sipping champagne in business class instead of economy? These little luxuries can elevate your travel experience, making it truly unforgettable. And the best part, you don't need to be a millionaire to enjoy them. With a bit of insider knowledge and a dash of charm, you can unlock free travel upgrades and perks. From hotel room upgrades to flight upgrades and complimentary services, we'll reveal the secrets to traveling like a VIP without breaking the bank. Prepare to embark on a journey filled with comfort, style, and unforgettable memories. Ready to unlock these travel treasures? Let's dive in and discover the secrets together. Imagine this: you arrive at your hotel, exhausted from your journey, your feet aching, and your mind craving peace. As you check in, the receptionist greets you with a warm smile and says, "Congratulations, we've upgraded you to a suite." Instantly, your fatigue starts to melt away, music to your ears. Am I right? While it may seem like magic, scoring a hotel room upgrade is often easier than you think. It's not just about luck, it's about strategy and a bit of charm. One of the best ways to increase your chances is by joining the hotel's loyalty program. These programs are designed to reward frequent guests with exclusive benefits. These programs are usually free to join, and you can earn points towards free nights, room upgrades, and other perks. The more you stay, the more you earn, and the better your chances of an upgrade. Another powerful tool in your arsenal is simply being nice. It sounds simple, but a friendly smile and a polite demeanor can go a long way. Hotel staff are more likely to go the extra mile for guests who treat them with respect and kindness. A little bit of courtesy can make a big difference. Remember, hotel staff interacts with countless travelers daily. Standing out as a pleasant and appreciative guest can make you memorable in the best way possible. Kindness can make you stand out and increase your chances of receiving special treatment. Sometimes a simple thank you card or a small token of appreciation can work wonders. Finally, don't be afraid to mention special occasions. Celebrating a birthday, anniversary, or honeymoon? Let the hotel know. Hotels love to make your special moments even more memorable. They might surprise you with an upgrade to make your celebration more memorable. Whether it's a bottle of champagne, a room with a view, or a spacious suite, these little touches can make a big difference. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying spacious suites, stunning views, and other delightful surprises on your next hotel stay. So pack your bags and get ready to master the art of the hotel upgrade. If you've liked these tips, please like, subscribe, and comment about where you would like to travel. Let's face it, long-haul flights can be tiring. The cramped seats, the lack of legroom, and the constant noise can exhaust even the most seasoned traveler. But imagine experiencing the journey in the lap of luxury, stretched out in a spacious business class seat, sipping champagne and enjoying personalized service. The difference is like night and day. Sounds tempting, right? While flight upgrades might seem like a dream, they're not entirely out of reach. With a few strategic moves, you can increase your chances of scoring that coveted upgrade. One of the simplest yet often overlooked tips is to dress well. Airlines often upgrade passengers who look like they belong in business class. While you don't need to wear a suit or an evening gown, avoid showing up in sweatpants or ripped clothing. Opt for smart, casual attire. Think neat jeans, a nice shirt, or a casual dress. A neat and presentable appearance can make a difference. It shows the airline staff that you take your travel seriously and might just make you stand out in a positive way. If you're a frequent flyer, ensure you're part of the airline's loyalty program. These programs are designed to reward loyal customers with points that can be redeemed for various benefits. Accumulating miles can earn you free flights, upgrades, and other perks. The more you fly with a particular airline, the more points you accumulate, increasing your chances of an upgrade. When booking your flight, inquire about using your miles for an upgrade. You might be surprised at how affordable it can be. Sometimes a few miles can make a big difference in your travel experience. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a polite request. A friendly demeanor and a smile can go a long way. When checking in, mention if you're celebrating a special occasion or if it's your first time flying with the airline. Airlines often like to make special moments even more memorable for their passengers. While there's no guarantee, a friendly approach and a bit of charm might tip the scales in your favor. Airline staff appreciate courteous passengers and might be more inclined to help you. Remember, the key is to be prepared, polite, and persistent. Have all your documents ready, approach the staff with a smile, and don't be afraid to ask. With a bit of luck and these insider tips, you might find yourself soaring through the skies in style and comfort. So next time you fly, keep these strategies in mind, and you might land that upgrade you've been dreaming of. Travel is all about experiencing new things and creating lasting memories. The thrill of discovering new places, meeting new people, and immersing yourself in different cultures makes every journey unique and unforgettable. But did you know you can enhance your travel experience with many complimentary services, often just by asking nicely? These little extras can make your trip even more special and enjoyable. One of the easiest ways to unlock these hidden gems is to show genuine interest in the local culture and attractions. Engaging with the community and respecting their traditions can open doors to unexpected perks. Talk with the hotel staff or your tour guide and ask for their recommendations. They are often more than willing to share insider tips and may even offer you some complimentary services. They might surprise you with complimentary maps, discount coupons, or even free tickets to local events. These small gestures can significantly enhance your travel experience without costing you a dime. Timing is also crucial when requesting complimentary services. Knowing when to ask can make all the difference. If you're celebrating a special occasion, mention it during check-in or when making a reservation. Birthdays, anniversaries, and honeymoons are often celebrated with complimentary upgrades or special treats. Hotels and restaurants often go the extra mile to make these occasions memorable for their guests. You might find your room decorated with flowers, a complimentary bottle of champagne, or a special dessert at dinner. Another pro tip is to join the hotel's or airline's members club, even if it's just for the duration of your stay. Membership can bring many benefits to make your trip more comfortable and enjoyable. These clubs often offer exclusive perks to their members, such as complimentary breakfast, spa discounts, or free Wi-Fi access. Some even provide late checkout options or room upgrades. Remember, the key is to be polite, appreciative, and genuinely interested in what the destination offers. A little kindness and curiosity can go a long way. You'll be amazed at how these simple gestures can unlock a world of complimentary services, enriching your travel experience and creating unforgettable memories. So next time you travel, don't hesitate to ask and explore all the beautiful extras that can make your journey even more special. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like and subscribe. This lets me know to make more content like this. Also, leave a comment about the best place you visited. I look forward to reading your comments.